Hi, it's Megan here, and I'm here to talk about Topical Map AI. If you're still doing keyword research manually, you're wasting a ton of time and you're not ranking. Google doesn't think in keywords anymore, unfortunately. Google thinks in topics. And to rank, you need to cover an entire topic comprehensively, and that's called topical authority. Building it manually takes a really long time. Topical Map AI builds your content strategy in under a minute. Just enter your topic and you'll get a full map of every subtopic, keyword cluster, and content idea you need to dominate your niche. So let's go ahead and look at the tool itself. So here, as you can see, you have 6 different types of maps that you can choose from: SEO, social first, product, question, news, and keywords. Let's create an SEO map. So you can also specify and choose the industry that you'd like. Let's go ahead and choose food and restaurants. Yeah. Target audience. Let's do consumer. Primary goal. And we will do generate more leads. No. Launch new product. Okay. Then you can choose whatever language that you like. Country, amount of topics, and the type of AI model. This page will redirect you to the maps page. There we go. Immediately done. I think that was less than 6